If you want to read X, formerly Twitter, without creating an account, there is a simple trick you can use right inside Google search. This is especially useful if you want to look up a public post, a trending discussion, a news update, or a specific topic without getting stuck on the login wall. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also share a couple of tips so you can get better results faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open Google in your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once Google loads, go to the search bar and type this format exactly, sitetwitter.com, followed by your search term. For example, if you want to find posts about a product launch, you could type sitetwitter.com product launch. If you want to search for a person, event, company, or keyword, just replace the search term with whatever you want to look up. This search operator tells Google to only show results from Twitter, which is now X. Since you are searching through Google instead of opening X directly, you can often view public tweets and discussions without being forced to sign in. That makes this method very useful for quick research, checking reactions, or reading public conversations. After you type your search, press enter and wait for the results to load. You should now see links to public tweets, discussions, or X pages related to your keyword. Click on the result that looks most relevant. In many cases, the post preview will already give you enough information to read the content without needing to log in. If the first result is not what you want, try adjusting your search term. For example, you can add a name, a hashtag, a location, or a phrase in quotation marks for more accurate results. You can also try different versions of the search, such as sitetwitter.com, OpenAI, sitetwitter.com, latest update, or sitetwitter.com, breaking news. The more specific your search term is, the better your results will usually be. Another helpful tip is to use Google search filters if you want more recent results. You can click on the Tools option and narrow the results by time, which is useful if you are looking for something posted today or in the last week. That can help you find the most current public discussions on X. Now, it is important to remember that this method works best for public content. If a post is private, protected, or requires login access, Google will not be able to bypass that. But for public tweets and searchable discussions, this is one of the easiest ways to view X content without an account. If you are doing research, content planning, or just checking what people are saying about a topic, this trick can save you a lot of time. Instead of signing in or dealing with the app, you can simply use Google as a shortcut to public X results. So to recap, open Google, type site twitter.com plus your search term, review the results, and click the most relevant public post or discussion. It is fast, simple, and very useful if you want to browse X without logging in. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.